1. In a mortar, the binding material is A. Cement, B. Sand, C. Cirque, D. Cinder. Correct option is cement. 2. Lacquer paints. A. Are generally applied on structural steel. B. Are less durable as compared to enamel paints. C. Consist of resin and nitrocellulose. D. Contain alcohol as thinner. E. All the above. Correct option is all the above. 3. Wrought iron contains carbon up to A. 0.25%, B. 1.0%, C. 1.5%, D. 2%. Correct option is 0.25%. 4. Pick up the polymineralic rock from the following. A. Quartz sand, B. Pure gypsum, C. Magnesite, D. Granite, E. None of these. Correct option is granite. 5. Ultimate strength to cement is provided by A. Tricalcium silicate, B. Dicalcium silicate, C. Tricalcium aluminate, D. Tetracalcium aluminoferrate. Correct option is dicalcium silicate. 6. Elastomers can extend up to A. 5 times their original dimensions, B. 7 times their original dimensions, C. 10 times their original dimensions, D. 3 times their original dimensions. Correct option is 10 times their original dimensions. 7. Bitumen felt. A. Is used as waterproofing material, B. Is used as damp-proofing material, C. Is made from bitumen and hessian fibers, D. All the above. Correct option is used as waterproofing material. 8. In the method of condensation, polymerization, A. Low molecular substances are removed from the high molecular substance, B. The reaction proceeds with an evolution of ammonia, C. The reaction proceeds with an evolution of hydrogen chloride, D. All the above. Correct option is all the above. 9. In the cement, the compound quickest to react with water is A. Tricalcium aluminate, B. Tetracalcium aluminoferrate, C. Tricalcium silicate, D. Dicalcium silicate. Correct option is tricalcium aluminate. 10. The initial setting time of lime pozzolana is A. 30 minutes, B. 60 minutes, C. 90 minutes, D. 120 minutes. Correct option is 120 minutes. 11. The clay to be used for manufacturing bricks for a large project is dug out and allowed to weather throughout A. The monsoon, B. The winter, C. The summer, D. None of these. Correct option is the monsoon. 12. The rocks, which are formed due to cooling of magma at a considerable depth from Earth's surface, are called A. Plutonic rocks, B. Hypabyssal rocks, C. Volcanic rocks, D. Igneous rocks. Correct option is plutonic rocks. 13. Quartzite is A. Metamorphic rock, B. Argillaceous rock, C. Calcareous rock, D. Silicious rock. Correct option is silicious rock. 14. The variety of pig iron used for manufacture of wrought iron is A. Bessemer pig, B. Grey or foundry pig, C. White forge pig, D. Mottled pig. Correct option is white forge pig. 15. Sandstone is A. Sedimentary rock, B. Metamorphic rock, C. Igneous rock, D. Volcanic rock. Correct option is sedimentary rock. 16. If the furnace is provided with insufficient fuel at low temperatures, the type of pig iron produced is called A. Bessemer pig, B. Grey or foundry pig, C. White or forge pig, D. Mottled pig. Correct option is white or forge pig. 17. Stainless steel contains A. 18% of chromium and 8% nickel, B. 8% of chromium and 18% of nickel, C. 12% of chromium and 36% of nickel, D. 36% of chromium and 12% of nickel. Correct option is 18% of chromium and 8% nickel. 18. Pick up the hypabyssal rock from the following. A. Granite, B. Dolerite, C. Basalt, D. All the above. Correct option is dolerite. 19. Depending on the chemical composition and mechanical properties, iron may be classified as A. Cast iron, B. Wrought iron, C. Steel, D. All the above. Correct option is all the above. 20. Wrought iron contains carbon, about A. 1.5% to 5.5%, B. 0.5% to 1.75%, C. 0.1% to 0.25%, D. None to these. Correct option is 0.1% to 0.25%. 21. The main constituent of fly ash is A. Aluminium oxide, B. Silica, C. Ferrous oxide, D. All of these. Correct option is all of these. 22. Bitumen in A. Solid state is called asphalt, B. Semi-fluid state is called mineral tar, C. Fluid state is called petroleum, D. 23. The plastics made from cellulose resin A are as clear as glass, B. Are tough and strong, C. Possess excellent electrical properties, D. All the above. Correct option is all the above. 24. Kaolin is chemically classified as A. Metamorphic rock, B. Argillaceous rock, C. Calcareous rock, D. Silicious rock. Correct option is argillaceous rock. 25. Which one of the following is acid-resistant asbestos? A. Actinolite asbestos, B. Amosite asbestos, C. Anthophyllite asbestos, D. Crocidolite asbestos, E. All the above. Correct option is all the above.